Di pantay, guys. Ba't may space dito? Paano ba yan? Paano ba yan i-balance? Wala na akong buhok, guys, sa tuktok. Saan ako kukuha sa ilalim? Wala na din sa ilalim. My God. Kung na-stress na ako dito, tapos, iiksian ko pa siguro. Lubutag mo ka ako lalaki. Bebe? Be? Mas maiksi pa siguro, guys, no? But that man, hindi siya makapal dito. Dapat balance. Asawa ko, mapagalitan ako nito. Dapat mas maiksi pa. Ito, guys, ginuhitan ko siya. Yan yung guhit. Mas maiksi pa siguro. Konting iksi pa, no? Kaso di pa rin balance. Hindi ko na alam saan kukuha ng buhok. Ano ba? Panot ba ako? Or what? Baka yan yung missing hair ko. Dapat mas makapal pa. Di ko alam kung saan ako kukuha. Dapat ganyan. Ano pag humangin? Wala space. Sana ba yung asawa ko para makita niya yung result? Hey! Ha 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 ha! Arigato gozaimasu!
Oh my God, you're cutting now.
It's nice, no?
Oh, yeah. Whatever that appeared to your mind to do it.
Not yet the result because you will use pa the curly, this one, no?
You cannot cover this, baby.
It's nice! This is the trending. Gusto ko lang naman maging si Kyla eh. But I have...
You are not speaking really. Sometimes you are really...
It's nice naman, oh! It's cute!
It's cute, actually.
Arigato gozaimasu, pare. It's cute, but I need to lose weight.
Yasu.
This is the trend. You want I put for you also?
Nah, put for me.
Baby, why this one is a
Put
little
for me
bit
here,
empty?
until here.
A little bit empty here. Must be a little bit higher. You like it? You like it, Be?
No, I need toast now.
I will use this in Christmas, no? My bangs. But you think it's good?
That's it.
Hi. Paano ba?
Toast or not?
No, I don't like. You want I make? Kunwari ka pa eh, nagpaparinig ka lang gawan kita. Ng toast eh.
No, come.
No, only cheese you bought the last time. Tio Raina, you want I go outside pa to buy?
No, it's 9 o'clock. I don't know
Oh,
if you can find
no more. Finish.
Then I go quickly. But I don't think so.
Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu. So, paplansyahin na natin, guys. Okay. Guys, kailangan kong pumayat. So, start na ako ng diet today. Bibili yung asawa ko ng gyros and ayokong kumain. Mag-ano ako, guys, mag-apple lang. Kasi nataba ko na, guys. Tumataba ako. Paano ba to? Paano ba magplansya? Tapos pa loob, di ba? Doon mo malalaman kung pantay yung gupit or hindi. Or lalagyan ba to ng gel? Kailangan niya talagyan ng gel para hindi maggalaw-galaw, no? Ano ba nilalagay dito? Hindi pantay. Churit, 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 churit. Hi! Ang lapad ng mukha ko. Ang taba ko.